I remember black skies, lightning all around me. I remembered each flash as time began to blur. Like a startling sign, the fate had finally found me. And your voice was all I heard, that I get what I deserve. So give me reason to prove me wrong, to wash this memory clean. Let the floods cross the distance in your eyes. Give me reason to fill this hole, connect the space between. Let it be enough to reach the truth that lies across this new divide. Across this new There was nothing in sight, but memories left abandoned. There was nowhere to hide, the ashes fell like snow. And the ground gave in between where we were standing. And your voice was all I heard, that I get what I deserve. So give me reason to prove me wrong, to wash this memory clean. Let the floods cross the distance in your eyes. Give me reason to fill this hole, connect the space between. Let it be enough to reach the truth that lies across this new divide. Across this new divide. Across this new divide. Across this new divide. In every loss, in every lie, in every truth that you deny, and each regret, and each goodbye was a mistake too great, too high. And your voice was all I heard, that I get what I deserve. Across this new divide. 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 Across this new
And I gotta say, we had some transcendent, amazing, unbelievable career best routines. This was, by far, I've been doing this a long time. Not a long time, but a pretty long time.
Are you old?
They're all like, oh, he's ancient. Were you born before 2000? Yes, I was. All right, I am the sickest unk you've ever met in your life. I am him.